I'm going to show you what I think is the best way, easiest way to cut spiral duct. Okay, so right here, I got a 10-foot long piece of 8-inch round, and I need an 8-foot piece. So I gotta cut 2 foot off of this guy. And the way I do it is I'll bring my tape at 2 foot, lock it, and then butt it up to the end, put my marker on the other end, and pull my line. That way you get a nice straight line all the way across. Some people like to do run their tape all the way out and do a little dash line, but that can be a little hard to follow sometimes. I think this is just better, easier, cleaner. So once you got your line, got your straight line, this is where we cut. So I've seen people cut with a reciprocating saw, I've seen people cut with grinders, I've seen people cut with hand snips. You know, they're all at the end of the day gonna get the job done, but to me, I think the best way, if you can invest in a pair of shears, or what we call double cuts, these right here do the best job, the cleanest job. When you cut with a grinder or with a reciprocating saw, it'll work, but it leaves a real jagged edge. It's hard to keep straight. These double cuts are smooth, cut it like butter. So what I do is, first, right where my line is about to meet the bead, right where it intersects, in this little notch right here, I'm gonna core out a hole. Throw a screw in it first. Then I take Unibit, make that hole bigger. That's just so my double cuts will actually fit in there. So you want a hole about yay big. Then you get your double cuts in there and you just ride that line. And the key is, I'm gonna ride the line all the way around until I hit the bead, and then I'm gonna stop and use my hand snips from there. You can cut through the bead with these, but it's gonna fuck up your blades real quick, so I don't wanna do that. Just follow my line. Nice and smooth. Okay, and when I get to the bead, I stop there. So as you can see, I started there, cut all the way around until I got to here and I hit the bead. I stop, and I grab my snips, cut that little excess off. Then I put my snips inside and I just cut the rest by hand. Boom. Get that out of there. Then sometimes you're left with a little, we call them fish hooks, these little pokey spikes. I always cut that off so you don't fucking stab the shit out of yourself. And there you go. Nice, straight, clean cut. Super easy. Like I said, you can do it with anything, but if you can invest in some good double cuts, sheet metal shears, it's the way to go, especially if you're running shit that's exposed. You want to have a nice, clean, straight edge. So, yeah, that's it.